When you're installing undermount drawer slides like this Blum Tandem in a face frame cabinet, like I have here with this working sample, sometimes it's really easy, especially when you're doing overlay fronts. Normally you can rest the front of your undermount drawer slide right on the face frame here, and you have your 3mm runner setback. But when you're doing an inset drawer front, there is no place to attach your drawer side. So there's a couple of options. One is blocking out behind the face frame like this, and then screwing to that. But it isn't always practical to use to block out behind the face frame. Well, a product made by Tenn-Tex, which was designed specifically for the Blum Tandem, but no reason it can't be used on other drawer slides, fits right behind the face frame. Let me get this out of here. So here's your face frame bracket. Slips right in behind the face frame. I've already pre-drilled, so I don't have to waste all your time on a video. And there is the face frame bracket installed. So now when you put in your undermount runner, and you're doing an inset, you can slide this back and then use the machine screw to adjust your runner back and forth to exactly where you want it for an inset application. Take a quick look at this manufacturer's animation and video of the face frame bracket. I think you'll find that this can be a useful product for you. Well, there it is. I hope you enjoyed the video and the little portion there by the manufacturer himself. And if you did, give us the thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Subscribe. I hope you liked this video.